Let me show you how to use Indeed's resume builder. If you don't yet have a resume or trying to create a better one, you can just create one for yourself right inside of Indeed. So once you log into your account, if you head over to the profile section, you'll have a section which says resume, and you'll have two options. Either you can upload your resume or build one inside of Indeed. Click on the second option, which is build an Indeed resume. This way Indeed includes all of the things that are necessary. So you just need to fill in everything that is asked so that a good resume is created right inside of Indeed. So fill in all of these information that are required. So there are going to be different sections such as education, any trainings that you've taken, whether they be online courses or boot camps. You can also add in your skills and your certifications as well. While filling in your job title, make sure you select the appropriate one by researching it better on the Indeed company review section where you can find the best salaries. Also, make sure to add in a description, which is going to be a summary of what you exactly do. So by filling in all of this information, you can create yourself a resume right inside of Indeed. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next one.